The next topic of chapter number 4 is Paralympics. At the request of the British government, in 1944, Dr. Ludwig Guttmann opened a spinal injury center at the Stoke Mandeville Hospital in Great Britain. In 1948, he organized a sports competition involving World War II veterans with a spinal cord injury in Stoke Mandeville, England. 4 years later, competitors from the Netherlands joined the Games and an international movement was born. Olympic-style games for athletes with a disability were organized for the first time in Rome in 1960, now called Paralympics. The organization pushed very hard to include blind and amputee athletes into the Toronto 1976 Paralympics and athletes with cerebral palsy in 1980 in Arenum. Its aim was embrace all impairments in the future and to act as a coordinating committee. In Toronto in 1976, other disability groups were added, and the idea of merging together different disability groups for international sport competitions was born. In the same year, the first Paralympic Winter Games took place in Sweden. Today, the Paralympics are elite sports events for athletes from 6 different disability groups. However, the participants' athletic achievements rather than their disability. The movement has grown dramatically. Since its first days, the number of athletes participating in Summer Paralympics Games has increased from 400 athletes from 23 countries in Rome in 1960 to 3,806 athletes from 136 countries in Athens in 2004. The Paralympic Games have always been held in the same years as the Olympic Games. Since the Seoul 1988 Paralympic Games and the Albert Lay 1992 Winter Paralympic Games, they have also taken place at the same venues as the Olympics. On 19th June 2001, an agreement was signed between IOC Indian Olympic Committee and IPC Indian Paralympic Committee securing this practice for the future. Objectives and functions of PCI. First is promoting a strong and vibrant Paralympic movement across the nation. Identify the disabled sport persons at all India level. Third one is imparting necessary training to them and preparing them to take part at state, national and international sports meet. Fourth one is the committee organizes and motivates the athletes with physical disabilities. Example with mobility disabilities, amputations, blindness, and cerebral palsy to participate in competitive sporting activities as part of the global Paralympic movement. Now our next topic is Deaflympics. The Deaflympics Olympic known as World Games for the Deaf or International Games for the Deaf. It was sanctioned International Olympic Committee. The Deaflympics is a special sporting event just like the Olympics but only for deaf or hard of hearing people. About 16,483 athletes compete in many different sports. Just like the Olympics, the events take place every 4 years. Deaf as hearing loss of at least 55 decibel in the better ear, a citizen member of ICSD, International Committee of Sports for the Deaf. Objectives of Deaflympics are as follows. First one is to supervise the organization of successful summer and winter Deaflympics. Second one is to promote and contribute to the development of sport opportunities and competitions from grassroots to elite level for deaf athletes. Third one is to support and encourage educational, cultural, research and scientific activities that contribute to the development and promotions of the Deaf Olympics. Fourth one is to fully enforce a drug-free sports environment for all deaf athletes in conjunction with the World Anti-Doping Agency. Last objective is to promote sports for deaf athletes without discrimination for political, religious, economic, disability, gender or race reasons. Deaf Olympic is categorized according to season. In summer season, the games that included are beach volleyball, football, karate, shooting, taekwondo and wrestling. Some other are badminton, bowling, handball, mountain biking, swimming, tennis, basketball, cycling, etc. The Winter Olympics are alpine skiing, ice hockey, cross country, snowboarding, curling.